So sometimes people ask, if I hire a lawyer, well, who do I work with? Am I working with an attorney? Am I working with a paralegal or a secretary? I don't think anyone really uses the word secretary anymore, but I'm old enough to remember times when they did. The answer to that question really depends on the law firm that you're hiring, the matter that they're working on for you. But here at Ramos Law, if you're one of our clients, quite frankly, you have an armada of people that are working for you, some on the front line that you're going to be communicating with, and some kind of on the back of not the back of the line, but in the trenches, so to speak, that you're never going to hear from. And so we have a pretty large organization. But in terms of the day-to-day and the point of contact stuff, we have a multi-layered approach. And so you're going to have a paralegal on your case, and we have something here that we call the 21-day update. And the 21-day update is paralegal is going to call the client every 21 days, no matter what, check in, updates, gather information, whatever it is. The attorney is going to be guiding those communications. So you're definitely going to speak to your attorney in the beginning of the case. We do something called the 8-week meeting, where you're going to meet with your attorney, figure out what the strategy and the plan is and those types of things. You're going to be talking to your attorney about landmark events, your care, your treatment, all of those types of things, depending on the type of case you have. And so I would say pretty confidently that if you're a client here at Ramos Law, you're going to be communicating with both an attorney and a paralegal, and maybe other support staff type people. But know this, if you need to talk to your attorney is going to be there. All you got to do is let the team know, call will get scheduled, because here at the firm, we really believe and truly honor the fact that client communication is mission critical. It's absolutely critical to the work we do, because if you think about it, there are kind of two balls in the air when it comes to your case, right? There's the result, which is really important, but then there's the service experience that you have with your team as we move through your case toward the result. And here at Ramos Law, they truly are equally important. We want to take great care of you along the way, and we also want to get you that great result. So I hope that answers the question.